Here's some toys. There's some more toys. Yeah. Now, this is your water. And here are your seats. Scipio. Would you like this peanut? Would you like this peanut? If you want this peanut, you have to go back inside your cage. I know you want this peanut. Would you want to get it? Here it is. I'm going to put it right in there. If you want that peanut, you got to go inside your cage to get this peanut. Okay? Peanut. All right? Now watch. Put it right in your food dish. You want that peanut? Well, that didn't work. How do we get you back in the cage? Okay? Now let's try something else. Aha! Oh, looks like you're going to go in there. Oh, look at that. Hey, you're going to go back in the cage? Get your peanut? Good. Look at that. Wow. Okay, next time we'll show how we can get you back on my arm. But today you can see that we got you back in there by bribing you with a peanut. That's good. Does that taste good?